Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new property that we have for rent right now. This is 117 Main Street, Unit 11, and this is a 1-bed, 1-bathroom apartment on the 3rd floor in Spencer. And I say it's a 1-bed, but it's kind of a 1-bed with an extra office there. So if you can take a look at that from left to right, across the living room, there's the office, the bedroom, the kitchen over here on the right, and the bathroom over there in the middle. And I just want to start off by showing you what the space really looks like when you come in here. So it's a large living room you're working with. Lots and lots of electrical outlets to help with setting everything up. But you can easily fit a couple sectional couches in here and the big entertainment system if you're able to bring one. Everything looks great. The hardwood finishes of the floors are in great condition, as well as the kitchen over here, which we'll take a look at. So you can see the full set of appliances is here. You've got the stainless steel dishwasher, fridge, oven, microwave, and the sink with the adjustable spray nozzle. Even the cabinets too, everything just looks updated and clean. We just had the unit professionally deep cleaned. And the kitchen even is a little bit bigger than you would expect. Even when you're in this alcove with those outlets, you've got this closet. Goes pretty deep into the wall. It kind of extends onto either side, so plenty of pantry space, and then obviously with these cabinets you really can't go wrong. We'll start stepping over here. Take a look at the bedroom, office, and bathroom. So we'll start off here by showing you this bathroom space. One thing I like about it is to have the color scheme is a little bit different from the rest of the apartments. You got this tile in here that looks really nice. Granite still on the countertops and just clean all around. And you've got an extra closet in the bathroom for just kind of like supplies or anything. And you come back out, give you another look at this living room from a different angle. And you come in here, and so this is the bedroom. And the ceilings are just as high in here, so that translates into you having a very big window in the bedroom. Lots and lots of light in here. And it comes with a spacious closet and recessed lighting. Then over here you've got the office. So this is the office space. High ceilings in here too, just no window. But the hardwood floors continue. And the paint looks just as good in here as it does in the rest of the apartment. No closet in this room either. So however you could make best use of that space would be great. But yeah, this has been Nick from 117 Main Street, Unit 11 in Spencer, Massachusetts. And if you want a full list of our vacancies, you can go to Nexus, WOR.com, and reach out to schedule an appointment today. And once again, this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester.